Hi, this is Petro Shimonishi, and I'm standing here at ISE 2020 at the URC booth. And we've got a number of wonderful announcements today for our Total Control Smart Automation and Control System. The first announcement we have is our award-winning TRC 1480 handheld remote control with built-in Amazon Alexa. Of course, has been shipping since we announced it at CEDIA last year. But at the show today, we're really pleased to announce that we've added German language support. This is really super important for us because we are an international company, so German language support is now available on the TRC 1480. And what I can do is I can press the microphone button on the TRC 1480 and give a command, all lights off, and it would turn all the lights off. Of course, the lights in our booth are not connected with that, otherwise people would be turning lights on and off every single time. But it is a really super easy to use product, and what I really like about this particular product is it is a push to talk. So it is the remote control that's got built-in voice control, but it doesn't monitor you or listen to you all the time. It's just one of the things you can do with URC Total Control, Smart Automation and Control System. Oh, for our website, go to www.universalremote.com.